Well, hello everybody. Today on Science, we are going to be making a lava lamp at home using a few ingredients that you guys probably have. So, for this experiment, we will be making a little bit of a mess. So please make sure you guys get some help from somebody at home. Alright, we're going to go over the little things that we need. It isn't very much, so you might already have this stuff. Alright, so the first thing, I got a water bottle. You guys can use any kind of water bottle, or a soda bottle, or anything like that. Something that will hold liquid. If it's clear, it's better, because then you'll be able to see it happen. The next thing we're going to need is some cooking oil. We are actually going to need a cup, just 1 cup of cooking oil. I have doubled everything so that we can see it bigger, but you guys only need 1 cup. The next thing that we need is vinegar, white vinegar. Once again, you're just going to need 1/4 of a cup, so a little bit less, actually a lot less. I am also going to double, I've doubled everything, but for you guys out there, you guys just need a little bit, 1/4 of a cup. Okay, the next thing that you're going to need is baking soda. And you will, you guys will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So not very much. This is how much I'll be using. Just a little bit. Our next ingredient, just water. Just water. You guys are going to need 1 teaspoon of water. Of course, I added a little bit more. You guys can play around with how much you need. So the next thing that I'm going to use is food coloring. Some other things, I got a spoon to stir and something else to stir inside the bottle. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pour our oil into our bottle. Spin it around, see all the bubbles. Next, I'm going to add the vinegar. So when I doubled it, I had 1/2 cup. And when you mix it, or when you put them in, you're going to see a lot more bubbles. Give it a little spin, not too much, just a little bit. Okay. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to take your water, and you're not going to pour it in your bottle yet. You're going to add your baking soda, and then we're going to mix it around. Alright, let's come back to the water bottle. We'll add a couple of drops, that's all you need. I've got 4 colors, so I'm going to go a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see them floating around in there. Next I'll take the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 more than the last color. Alright, we'll do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll put 9 of these. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thanks for counting along. Alright, if you guys remember when we did our volcano activity in school, when you mix our baking soda with our vinegar, it'll bubble up a lot. So don't pour it super fast. You want to put a little bit at a time. You want to put a little bit at a time, because watch what happens. That's what you want. You don't want it to be too crazy. Yeah, here we go. All right, and if you guys can see it, you guys see it bubbling around? That's our homemade lava lamp. Wow, that's pretty cool. So, real quick, let me tell you what's going on. Inside our water bottle, there's a lot of different ingredients that don't mix together. So when you put the oil and the white vinegar, they're not going to mix together. They're going to stay separate. So then when you add all the other stuff, the baking soda at the bottom, it causes it to bubble. And those also don't mix either. So it's just going to keep bubbling up and down like that. You can see all the different bubbles. Well, I hope you guys get to try this at home. It's kind of fun. Oh, look at that. You can move it around, get the colors. All right. Well, thank you guys. That was science. Bye.